Hi friends, it's Miss Sarah. Today we're going to be doing a finger play called This is a Beehive. Finger plays use our fingers, so get them warmed up. Shake them out, wiggle them around, you can do some stretches. Okay, the first time I'm going to say the words and you do the motions with me. Then we will use an echo so that you can learn the words as well. Are you ready? Do the motions with me. This is a beehive. Where are all the bees? They're hiding inside where nobody sees. Watch them come creeping out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buzz! Catch your bees. Good job. Now, I will go first and you go second. That's called an echo. Are you ready? Me first. This is a beehive. Where are all the bees? You go. Where are all the bees? They're hiding inside. Where nobody sees. Watch them come creeping out of the hive. Count with me. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. We'll do it one more time all together. We say the words together and do the motions together. Ready? This is a beehive. Where are all the bees? They're hiding inside where nobody sees. Watch them come creeping out of the hive. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buzz!